All right, folks, gather round because today we're diving into something electrifying. Have you ever wondered how your quartz watch works, or why ultrasound technology is so incredibly precise? Well, it's all thanks to a phenomenon that's both shocking and fascinating: the piezoelectric effect, the shocking world of piezoelectricity. Let's kick things off with a bang, shall we? Imagine discovering a brand new kind of electricity back in 1880. That's precisely what happened when the Curie brothers, Pierre and Jacques, stumbled upon the piezoelectric effect. These guys found out that certain crystals can generate electricity when you give them a little nudge. And we're not talking about motivational speeches here. We're talking about mechanical stress, the curious Curie brothers. So what's the deal with these materials, you ask? Well, it's like magic, but real science. When you squeeze or twist certain crystals, they generate an electric charge. It's like they've got a hidden superpower just waiting to be unleashed. You'll be surprised where you can find it. Everyday devices powered by piezoelectricity. You won't believe how many things around you are secretly powered by the piezoelectric effect. From those handy piezoelectric lighters that give you a spark to your trusty quartz watch that keeps you on schedule, it's everywhere. And let's not forget about electric guitars that rock out thanks to piezoelectric pickups. Electric charge generation. But how does it work? Well, when you squeeze these materials, it's like playing musical chairs with electrons. They jump from one place to another, creating an electric charge in the process. It's like nature's own little dance party, converting mechanical energy. Now here's where it gets even crazier. Piezoelectric materials can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. That's right, vibrations and pressure can turn into power. It's like turning your footsteps into electricity. We're talking about energy harvesting, folks. The reverse piezoelectric effect. But guess what? This phenomenon is a two-way street. If you apply an electric field to these materials, they'll actually change shape. It's like magic fingers at work, bending and twisting things around. You've got to see it to believe it. Piezoelectric sensors. Now let's talk tech. Piezoelectric sensors are the superheroes of the engineering world. They can measure pressure, force, acceleration, and vibration with incredible precision. They're in everything from cars to airplanes, making our lives safer and more efficient. Ultrasound technology. But hold on, we're just scratching the surface. Ever had an ultrasound? Those cool images of your insides are thanks to the piezoelectric effect. Crystals in the ultrasound machine vibrate and create sound waves that bounce off your organs. It's like a high-tech echo. Sensitivity to stress. Here's a fun fact. Piezoelectric materials are incredibly sensitive. Even the tiniest bit of stress or deformation sets them off. That's why they're perfect for high-precision sensors and ultra-accurate actuators. Talk about attention to detail, energy harvesting. Now here's something that's going to blow your mind. Remember those footsteps? Piezoelectric materials can turn them into electricity. Imagine walking on a sidewalk that powers streetlights. It's like science fiction come to life. Piezoelectric igniters. And if you're the grill master of your backyard, you've probably used a piezoelectric igniter. Push that button and boom, you've got fire. It's all thanks to the piezoelectric effect doing its sparky thing, crystal structures. But what makes these materials tick? It's all about their unique crystal structures. These structures are like the secret sauce that makes the piezoelectric effect possible. They're like the blueprints for creating electricity out of thin air. Temperature matters. And here's a curveball for you. The piezoelectric effect isn't a fan of temperature changes. It can mess with their performance. So, controlling the temperature is essential for certain applications. You don't want your sensors to throw a cold tantrum, do you? Precision control with actuators. Speaking of tantrums, piezoelectric actuators are the moodiest things in the engineering world. Just kidding. They're super precise and fast. They're used in everything from micro-positioning devices to robotics. Precision control at its finest. Biological materials. But it's not just inanimate objects that have this power. Some biological materials, like bones and DNA, are piezoelectric too. It's like Mother Nature is showing off her science skills. Who knew your body was electric? Energy storage and harvesting. We're not done yet. Piezoelectric materials are like the Swiss Army knives of energy. They can store and harvest it. Imagine charging your phone just by tapping your fingers. It's the future, folks. Environmental monitoring. And it's not just about gadgets. Piezoelectric sensors help us keep an eye on the environment. They measure air pollution, water quality, and even seismic activity. They're like Earth's little helpers, ensuring we keep our planet healthy. Ongoing research last but not least, the piezoelectric effect is still blowing scientists' minds today. They're discovering new materials and applications all the time. It's like a never-ending science adventure, the shocking impact of piezoelectricity. So there you have it, folks, the piezoelectric effect. It's like nature's own superpower. From sparking your gas grill to powering your ultrasound, it's a game changer. The connection between mechanical and electrical energy has revolutionized our world, and it's only getting started. Keep shocking the world. So the next time you use your quartz watch, experience an ultrasound, or see a piezoelectric sensor, remember the incredible science behind it. And don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed this electrifying journey.